Hi, I'm Jo from JHLeather, and in this video I want to thank every single one of you who have watched my videos and subscribed to my YouTube channel to help me reach 10,000 subscribers. So I started the channel back in 2016, and at the time I didn't really have a plan for what I wanted the channel to be or sort of where it was going to go. It was just something for me to do, and it was a way for me to advertise myself to the world sort of for free. So I bought myself a microphone and I started taking my bridge camera into the workshop, and without any previous filming or editing experience, I started to make my videos and produce really awkward voiceovers. But over the years I have got much better at filming and videoing, hopefully. And so thank you all for sticking with me and to help me reach this goal of 10,000 subscribers. So most of you will be here for the giveaway, which we have to say a huge thank you to the guys over at Abbey England who have given us half a pair, so one hide of the new Cedric's aniline finish 3.5 to 4mm bridle, but in black, which is going to be great for all of you wanting to make bridles and belts and sort of dog collars, all that sort of things, with a nice thick top quality leather. So first prize will also be getting my 3 pattern packs, and we'll get a 30-minute one-to-one Skype coaching session with me, so we can go over any questions that you have really to do with leatherwork. There will also be 2 second place prizes, which will be for the 3 patterns and a 30-minute one-to-one coaching session with me. So you have 3 chances to win. The links to the competition will be down below in the description. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.